What's going on? So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as y'all can see, I have this Uzi barf thing. Not gonna smell like barf, but this is what it looks like in the back. I wish we could put it in the bathtub, but me and my sister are gonna be making this, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're back, and it don't have to be that loud, but I'm going to show y'all what's inside. Okay, so we open it, and first thing that comes out of the box is the instructions, things. Well, we don't need that. And that pretty much it. See? Oh, I forgot the teapot. Wait, what's the ingredients we need? You get the ingredients. I gotta find the instructions. I lost them.
You just add water to make it that. So.
So are we going to make the whole pack, or just like half?
Not what you can't see.
Are we gonna make the whole pack, or just like half, like just like a little bit?
You can do a little bit first and then see how much.
Yeah, and then we can pour it in my head.
Yeah.
Cause I'm gonna shower after this.
Okay, so I'm gonna get some water.
Okay, you're gonna get the water.
How much water do we need?
Just don't get the water in that. Get like in a bowl.
But they can't see it in a bowl.
But they can't see it in that either.
Yeah, because it's clear.
Yeah, but it's gonna be hard to grab it with my hands. Here, just get that.
What?
Just get a plate. No, just get one of those. Like, just stop the video for right now while we figure this out. Okay, so we got the clear, nasty water from the sink, but got the container, and we got the
mix.
Yeah, the slime mix thing. So, what should I pour first?
You pour the thing first.
Alright, I'll pour some of this first. I'm gonna do a little bit first. See, what if I just open it? The whole thing goes all over the place. I can't even open it.
Natalie, are you excited?
Can you give me a Ziploc bag in a sec too?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It's gonna make slime in a sec, or
that's good.
Something like slime. It's gonna make this.
For right now, and I need a mixing utensil.
Oh yeah. Get that.
And I'm gonna use my finger. So what I'm gonna do? Can they see, Isabel? I don't know if they can see, but right there.
Yeah, there it is. So wait. That? Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna need a Ziploc bag, so in a sec.
I don't know how much water you pour.
Yeah,
So
I'm
just
gonna pour a little bit of water.
And mix it.
Oh shit. Then mix it. Wait, which one is this one?
This slime is supposed to be slimy.
It's not slimy. Okay, I'm gonna add some more water.
Add more water, maybe.
Okay, we're gonna mix it up. Okay, wait. This does not look like slime. I'm gonna have to add some more,
It's supposed to be this.
yeah. And then, look. Oh, it's actually kind of getting it's kind of getting there.
Let me see. Let me show them.
Can you use some napkins too, by the way?
That's how it looks right there.
I might have to add
too
some more
liquidy.
of this. I'm gonna have to more add. Yeah. Can I get some napkins?
Yeah.
That's what I want to put on my fingers. I might as well mix it with my fingers. Let's see.
You get closer. I can't see.
Yeah, it's
They
more
can't
like
see.
slime now, see?
Touch it, Natalie. You want to touch it?
Wait.
No.
It's gonna eat
Let me
you.
show them.
Wait. See, it's more like slime now. Probably gonna have to add some more in a sec.
Let me see.
Let me clean my hands.
You're what?
Okay, I'm gonna add just a tad bit more.
Oh.
I get my hands dirty.
Clean. You want to touch it, Natalie?
You touch it?
No.
You do want to touch it because you're rolling up your sleeves.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this.
Just add about half of the Magnum.
Alright, put that much for right now. Let's get it mixed.
You can get
up.
closer because I can't see you. Yeah.
Oh, there's slime.
Actually, more like slime now.
You can add water to it.
Oh, it's so funny.
Oh, crap. Yeah, you add the water, just a tad bit, just tap it. That was perfect.
Marcos, you're like.
It's because I can't see it when
Here,
I'm mixing.
I'll help you.
Here.
Bring it over here.
We might have to add some more water. This looks more like the other one.
I know.
Are you sure you can get it mixed up here? Let's see.
Ew.
How's that? Ew.
It looks nasty.
It's so slimy.
Touch it.
I want.
And it leaves you with like, here, I don't know if you guys can see,
Oh, I can't.
but like
I'll put on
this
your hair,
little.
Natalie. I'll put on your hair.
No.
Marcos.
Wait, what was I gonna do? I feel like I
Give me-
should add more water.
I think so. I think it's supposed to be more slimy because it's not that slimy.
It dyes your fingers being green.
See, you can like, oh, it's like a weird texture too. Ew. Touch it, Natalie.
I want that.
Just touch
Touch
it.
Hurry.
Like, don't be
Okay, that's
scared.
it.
I will touch it now.
I will touch it. Go, let her touch
Hey,
it.
touch it.
You can clean your hands off anyways.
Whoa.
Right? It feels funny.
It does not feel funny.
Like, it leaves you, first of all, it dyes your hands
I
green. Second of all, it leaves you with all these little, like,
Okay, let's see. Dude, it's still not that. It's starting to get more slimy.
Natalie.
Yeah, it's more slimy.
No, you touch it now.
Wait.
Ooh, I
Add
wanna
some more
touch it
water.
too.
Actually, it smells pretty good.
It smells like fruity.
I know it smells like what's it?
Smell it?
It's, it smells like what's it called? What the hell is this big ball in here?
Natalie, go say hi to Mom.
Now I'm gonna pour it in my hands.
Mommy,
Isabel,
can you just
cue the
let me-
cinematics.
Yeah.
And Mom can't see this.
They
Okay,
can't
Mom.
see when you went like that,
I
Margot.
know.
You need to get closer to them.
Isabel, cue the cinematics. I'm trying.
Oh, you know, have you ever watched these?
Satisfying video. What, Mom? What?
The what? But the Ma,
We already found it.
she said we were making the slime. Oh my goodness.
Here, let's make the other one a little bit of the other one too, no?
Yeah, we can make.
So we have
Wait,
another
let me see.
package.
Let me show them the
I'm
final-
trying to get it off my hands. Here.
We still have like this much. By the way, this comes with this. Like it's like fruit. Look, this is the final result.
Now how am I supposed to wash my hands? I'm all the way over here, Natalie.
No!
See,
So slimy!
I'm gonna just stick to your fingers.
No!
That's boogers.
No.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna put it on your dog.
No!
Here, Natalie, you want to touch the slime?
Here, wait, let me get it off my fingers.
Okay, here.
Can I please
Come
get it
touch
off
it.
my fingers?
Touch it. Same.
Go get the other one.
Whoa, so slimy!
Can I have that spoon, Isabel?
Look. See if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see. There's like little balls of, I don't know, little like beads.
I know you.
That feels so weird.
feels so satisfying. Dude, this is not gonna calm off my hands.
This is
Can I
not gonna.
have like a
Michael,
napkin?
show them. His hands are disgusting.
Did you hear that?
What? Sounds nasty.
Hey, ready?
Yeah!
Ew. That's nasty.
Dude, it's like, dude, it feels so good in your hands.
Did you hear that? Okay, now let's.
You should have hit pause, dude.
Oh, here.
Okay, we'll hit
We'll be right
pause, and I'm gonna clean my hands for the next slide. I'm gonna put it on her hair, okay? And I'm back, guys. So, where's it at? I lost it. It's right here, and I'm gonna throw a little ball flip in it. Oh, first try.
Okay, what is that?
Okay, ow. When I say ow.
What is that? So there's
This
two
one.
different ones. This is the one we just made, which is supposed to be
Why
slimy.
green? Why is it
Now we're going to make jelly.
Jelly!
Which is supposed to look like that. Look, Natalie. See? That one's the one we're gonna make.
I wish I would have seen that. She dropped though. I think you might have heard it. We're gonna have to clean this up.
Oh my gosh.
Stop the video for a sec.
Drop
We're
the
gonna have to clean
water.
this.
Oh my goodness, I dropped all the water.
Okay, guys. So we're back, and she's barely clean. Can I have that spoon? Wait, just throw it. Okay. But I need some napkins. Okay. So where is it? Is it this one? This one came with
You're
great.
supposed to put it in your bathtub.
Yeah, I'm supposed to put it in your bathtub,
Well,
but
you're not supposed to, but you can.
you can. But this
Where's the
is
napkins?
Isabel. Seriously, keep interrupting me. This is to dissolve this back into a liquid, so let's see if it's gonna work.
We're
What
supposed to make it go down to drain easier.
Yeah, down to drain easier
So we don't know what it does.
to drink it. It's like more. It's like it doesn't stick to you as much anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that. Dude, that stuff keeps sticking onto me.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
Dude, can you get a freaking for this one? You can pour it in there because that one keeps falling all over the place. Look great, you just dropped some right there.
I didn't drop it right there. You dropped it.
Might as well just put it in here.
Okay.
Yes, you can. So let's see. Let's pour some in there. I'm not gonna stick.
I don't know if it's supposed to be water. Like you're supposed to pour water.
Yeah, go. Great, just pour the whole thing.
What is it gonna do to it?
What is it gonna do it?
I think it just makes it like
No, it's still like.
go down like drain easier.
Here, let's see.
More white.
Okay, let's see. Now let's mix this up. Dude, imagine
More
putting this in your.
water.
Oh, it's break. Stop.
What?
It's like liquefying. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm trying to like. You should probably mix it up a little bit. Dude, literally turn it almost back into
You don't need
liquid.
that slime.
Oh, it like breaks it apart.
Yeah,
Esbo,
so that's
What,
pretty
baby?
cool.
Esbo,
Hmm.
you don't need that slime.
Mm-mm. So now we're gonna do the other one.
Yeah, now
So
we're
now
gonna
I need to.
wash that one.
Yeah, wash
so,
it real
catch
quick.
up, guys, when we get to
And
the
that's
next
how
one.
it.
Yeah, it's like really watery. And can you please
So-
hit pause? So, can I have the napkins? They're right
It's so
there.
fun.
Okay, so here, let me just clean this a little bit more, cause apparently Lily, she doesn't know how to clean dishes. Your face. So this is the second one. So
By the way, did you hear the Eagles won the Super Bowl?
yeah,
That's on the TV.
I know.
I saw one of the Patriots.
Dude,
won.
I can.
Here, I got you.
No, you
It
don't
says
got me.
step 1.
Yeah,
And this is water.
this is the other one is for dissolving.
And it has like instructions.
Wrong.
Let me see what the instructions say. We were doing it wrong.
Rubbish.
I can't
We
see.
probably are doing it wrong.
Let's see.
So let's pour some in here.
How to make it. Oh!
What? Oh! What? What do we do wrong? Here, I'll put this to the
You're
side.
supposed to put water first.
Seriously.
It says, start by filling your bathtub with warm water to deep whatever. Gently sprinkle the jelly barf
Sprinkle.
powder evenly. So you might want to take that out.
Give me
Maybe.
a plate. So
You're supposed to put warm water too.
yeah, warm. You have it hella cold.
Oh, jeez.
That's not
Just hurry up, cheese.
Oh, jeez.
plate.
Boom.
We need warm water, so I'm going to get some warm water.
Ha! She got scared. Where's the napkins?
I kind of have boiling hot
Right there.
Why the hell do you keep putting them over there,
water.
Isabel?
Here you go, because I can't, like, chunk this at you.
Is it? Can I have that? Because it's still like in here. Isabel!
Oh my gosh, I'm just dropping everything already.
Aren't I? You
Okay.
guys.
And then add more water until the mixture reaches desired consistency for a best results.
I broke it. Yes, I did.
Ew, imagine like putting a bathtub full of
That would
this.
be pretty cool.
Sprinkle.
How is that funny?
I love you, Nelly.
And my vlogs, it's not even a vlog.
And
It's
then
like,
here's Pringles.
we might do that other thing for a challenge, dude. This is gonna be a long ass video.
What?
I'm so excited.
It's gonna take a long. Isabel,
What?
good thing our.
I can see inside
Could y'all please be quiet?
I'm sorry.
Good thing our internet got renewed because it will upload faster.
Put all the water. Oh my gosh, you suck at pouring water. You have to do it fast. That's why.
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
You said pour the whole thing?
About half. There, because you want to make a good amount.
That's a lot. But, okay. You know?
Dude, we're gonna waste all of these. Stop using them.
Well, give me something. Give me that other one. Where's it at?
This.
Yeah, that one. This is a lot of water.
Sounds like you're peeing.
So let's pour it. Slow sprinkle.
You're supposed to.
It looks so cool when it's going in. Dude. It's
No way, dude.
expanding.
Do you see it? Wait, do you see that? Do y'all guys see that?
I
Here,
don't-
give it to me. I'm
Wait,
gonna show you.
it sucked up all the water.
Look at that, guys.
Here, wait, let me see it. I'm still not done. Let's do the other one again.
It made a bubble. Put more water.
What the hell?
What?
It feels. This thing feels weird.
Does it?
Stop.
Let me see.
It feels like mashed potatoes when you use them. Because I've done that
Let's
before.
see.
I want to see.
Can I try?
Wait, let me
I
mix it up a
see
little
it.
bit more.
I want to see it.
Does this get stuck to your hands like the other one does?
No, this one you should probably just go bada bing, bada boom.
Wait, let me touch it before you
Wait.
put it.
You can pour a little bit more water. Let's see if it. That was pretty cool when it made that ball here. Okay.
Okay, let me show them.
It smells like shit.
Does it? It smells
I want
pretty.
to do it.
Wait. Let me show them.
Dude, that's so cool. I
What
wish I
the?
could feel this.
It's like little balls almost.
Yeah.
Here, 'cause
Let's
I'll
do the
show
other
ya.
one again.
Here, Natalie. Touch it.
It feels hot.
Yeah, because it's the warm water.
Hey, give me a bag so we can put
Hey,
this in
cow.
Here.
there. Good. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of
You need a napkin?
Can I have that? Okay, so guys, I'll catch y'all in a second because we're gonna do the other one
Slime because we did it wrong. Not
because-
wrong, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you saw how this one came like way better than the other one. Yeah.
yeah. So yeah.
So I'll catch you when I put this as yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So, shh, Natalie. So we made this. We put it in this little baggie, and it's like I don't know. It's like
Here, let me show them.
look at that.
Wait, you can't like it won't focus because
But if we had balloons, that would have been so cool if you could put it
it's
in
so
there.
awesome, but it kind of stinks.
You do stink. Seriously? Okay,
Okay,
now
so,
let's do that.
now-
Where's the other one? It's over there.
I think it's this one,
Okay, let's pour.
but you put water first.
Yeah, water. Put water.
Yeah.
You put
I
water
wonder if it's gonna do the same thing.
and then put the slime. What is it doing?
Nothing. Let's see.
It's just gonna do the same thing, huh?
It's not going up now.
I mean, kind of. Yeah, it's just basically the same thing,
I like the other one.
but with really hot water.
Put one thing.
Are you gonna put it on your head?
No.
Oh,
Why?
because you said.
I mean, I want
No, put
to
it
see.
on my.
Like if we go to the restroom and I just mix it. He's gonna mix both of the mixtures.
Imagine it just pops. Why the hell would it pop?
Yeah, this is so good.
Dude, this is more.
Slimy.
Yes, actually, look. And it doesn't stick to your fingers like the other one. Dude. That's dope.
Okay, so I think
Here, I'm gonna pour some of the water out. Because I want to try something.
No. Don't do it like that.
It's too liquidy. Let's see.
It's so greeny. It's gonna be greeny.
Dude, it feels like there's little stuff in there.
You know.
Like right here, like a little ball. It's a little separate ball. Dude, that's so cool.
It's got something in there.
Look, guys. What are you doing?
It's not even on camera.
Did it
It's
even get
even
stuck to
on-
my hair?
Wait, let me show y'all guys.
Did it even get stuck to my hair?
Not really. A little
I just
bit.
did this.
Oh, you got more.
That. Oh my goodness.
Hey, it's low key is gonna make my hair soft.
Low key, it is.
Might as well just rub it in. Dude, that's homemade shampoo.
Shampoo.
Okay.
Feels good.
Okay, so we're done, right?
Wait for yeah, I'm done with
Yeah.
it's coming off my hand so quick. But I'll catch y'all guys when I clean up my hair. I'm gonna have to wash it in the sink. Okay, I'll catch you guys. Can you stop the video? Okay, guys, so this is the end of my video. Did the challenge. I'm inside of my sister's room. Can you record me?
I can't see.
Yeah, that's good. I'm in my sister's room right now because we just finished the slime. Not we just finished, but I was trying to make my new intro. Actually, I need an outro too. But I'll make it later on. I'll make my outro later on. But my sister helped me make my intro. But what are we gonna do tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Monday. Erica has a game.
Yeah, but I'm probably not gonna go.
You're probably gonna come with me.
I'm not probably gonna
You're
go.
probably gonna come with me.
No.
You're probably gonna come
No.
with me.
But the 9th through the 11th, so this Friday.
This coming up Friday.
It's coming up
And
Friday,
Saturday
all the way
and Sunday.
all the way through Saturday and Sunday is gonna be a pretty cool thing at the skate park, and I'm gonna go. So
My hands
smash that thumbs up and subscribe and turn on post notifications. You can see I'm really sleepy, but
It's not even that late. Actually, it is pretty late.
comment down below if you would like to, and bye.